it's me, Allegra. Babes, I'm super excited today because I'm coming at you with another makeup subscription box unboxing. This one is for the April 2021 Ipsy box. So I can't wait to see what's inside. I do get the creator box, so that comes with the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus some extra creator goodies. So I've got it right here and I can't wait to see what's inside. So before we dive into today's video, I'm also super excited to share today that I am partnering with Dossier on today's video. I absolutely love Dossier. Many of you guys know I have quite the collection, quite the addiction to Dossier fragrances. They are perfumes made of essential oils. They smell incredible and many of them are inspired by your favorite iconic fragrances. So I just got my newest fragrance here. I figured we'd do a quick unboxing and I'd show you what's inside and we try it out together. But I also did want to let you beauties know that they are having a huge sale going on right now. Currently they are having a special where you can get 3 Dossier fragrances. So you get 3 for $74. So it's an amazing 15% off savings. So I also do have a promo code from Dossier, which I'll have linked below, and their site linked below, so you can check them out. Many of you are already hooked on them too. They are exact dupes, to be completely honest. They're just exact dupes for so many of your favorite fragrances. I know there's the Chanel Chance, which is one of my absolute favorite from Dossier. And on the Dossier website, they have a search bar, so you can type in, for example, the fragrance that you're looking for, the actual name. So for example, you can type in Chanel Chance and then their version of Chanel Chance will pop up. So for example, this is one of my absolute favorite Dossier perfumes and it is called Woody #1, but this is an exact dupe for the YSL Mon Paris. So you could actually go to the Dossier website and just type in the search bar. If you're looking for YSL Mon Paris, just type that in and it will bring it up. You can type in Tom Ford. They have some incredible Tom Ford fragrances. The Baccarat Rouge fragrance from them is an exact dupe for the original Baccarat Rouge, which goes for over $300. So you can get your own Baccarat Rouge fragrance. I believe that one is $39, so it's a little bit more. Because of the ingredients that they have to use, sometimes they do have to charge a little bit more. They do use all of the highest quality ingredients. They are clean beauty, cruelty-free, vegan, so you cannot go wrong with Dossier perfumes. Before I jump into my Ipsy box, I figured I would just really quickly though unbox this beauty with you dolls. So this one I just got. As you can see, they come packaged beautifully. And when you get your Dossier perfume, you'll get a little sample type of bottle like this, and then you can try it out and you can see if you like it. If you don't like it, there is the easiest returns of life, and it's super easy just to return without a hassle. This one that I got today is called the Oriental Vanilla, and oh my god, it smells so good, you guys. Let me go ahead and try it out. Yes. It smells incredible. And they all do have these really bougie magnetic cap closures. They look stunning on your vanity. So this is how they all do come packaged. Up here is the ingredients list, and then here is the name and Dossier. So how gorgeous is this though? I love the packaging, and like I said, it looks gorgeous on your vanity. So these are also made in France, so you just cannot go wrong. So definitely check out Dossier if you haven't already. I know so many of you guys are hooked on them, on Dossier as much as I am. So I'll have everything linked below and my promo code as well, so you'll actually get extra savings if you use my code. Now we can dive right into this makeup subscription box unboxing 2021. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So like I was saying, this is the Ipsy Creator Box, so you get a few different bags in here from Ipsy. Here it is, guys. I'm so excited to open it with you guys. Look how stunning. How beautiful is that? Oh my god. Oh my gosh, what is this? They always have the best stuff. It's always like the most happiest surprise when you unbox your Ipsy boxes. So the theme for this month is Ipsy Force of Nature. So this month Ipsy is showcasing products that let your natural beauty shine. So oh my gosh, guys, they sent this beautiful hat here. Force of Nature hat. So cute, a bucket hat. You guys though, oh my god. I've said this before, my head is so huge. Normal hats don't fit me. This hat doesn't fit me, but it would fit any normal individual. My head is, one time I measured my head because you can, you know, for hat sizing, they take a tape measure and they measure your head. And my head was like a extra large. I cannot fit into any hats, anything. It's crazy. I don't know, guys. I don't know why my head is so big. Maybe in the back it's bigger. I don't know, but hats just never fit me. But this is adorable. I wish that did fit me because I actually wanted to get a bucket hat. They're so cute, aren't they? And I always wear hats in the sun now that it's getting warmer. Unfortunately, I can't wear that, but I'll definitely save that and put it in a giveaway. So here, guys, they sent this Argan Oil Control and Soften shampoo bar. So it says here that it controls and softens your locks with Moroccan Argan Oil shampoo. I've never tried this before. Have you guys tried a shampoo bar? You guys tried this before? They said it's highly acclaimed for taming frizz and promoting soft to the touch hair. So sounds promising. I'm gonna give that a try. Oh my gosh, guys, here they sent an Ipsy umbrella. Sometimes they do send Ipsy creator items, so this might be one of them. But look how stinking cute that is. It's yellow with the blue Ipsy logo. So this will come in so handy. So here's something else that came in the box, you guys. This looks, I'm not sure what this is. It says it's Belle on Argent. So here it is when you unbox it, guys. It might be a palette. It looks like it might be an eyeshadow palette. It's absolutely stunning, the outer packaging. Oh, this is so beautiful, you guys. So it is an eyeshadow palette. It has these gorgeous neutral shades inside, so I can't wait to use this. So then here, guys, is something else that came. This is called the Item, and this is the Light Sauce. This is a balancing gel moisturizer for oily and combination skin. So a lot of the items in your Ipsy box this month are going to be clean beauty, and this is another one. It has no parabens, no sulfates, fragrance free, so that's super amazing. And then here, guys, is our Ipsy Glam Bag. So I can't wait to see what's inside. Oh my god, there is a ton of stuff. Here is the Lauren Conrad. This is Lauren Conrad lip gloss. Here is the Nomad highlighter. So this looks really nice. Here is Dr. Botanicals. This is a watermelon superfood 2-in-1 cleanser and makeup remover. So here is another great item in the Ipsy Glam Bag. This is called My Skinny Mask Australia. This is a vitamin C and turmeric clay mask. I can't wait to try this. Here is some First Aid Beauty. This is their facial radiance pads. I've used these before and I love these. Here is a Thrive Cosmetics lip liner. Have you tried this before? I can't wait to give that a try. Guys, then they sent the Victoria Beckham Future Lash Smudge Free Lifting Mascara. Yes, I can't wait to try this. Guys, can I tell you, I'm so excited. First of all, I've never tried Victoria Beckham. I have to tell you guys, I've been using so much mascara lately. I've gotten so into mascara, and so many of them, like a few of you said, I believe it was Heather, mentioned in the comments how some of them, they look good, and then after a few hours though, they start transferring and smudging all over your eyes, and she was 100% right. You just can't, it's so annoying. At one point I said, I was like, I'm never wearing mascara again. I couldn't take it. And a lot of times too, you're walking around then and it's smudged all over your eye and it just looks ridiculous. I can't even, guys, which one was it? Not my Too Faced. I know a few, Too Faced did not do that to me, but a few other ones. I believe it was a Maybelline one that I used, that stiletto sky high one, transferred. Oh, it was just so annoying. But hopefully this one will work good for me. The packaging is absolutely stunning. It is reminiscent of the Tom Ford packaging, but it's just absolutely gorgeous. So this is the Victoria Beckham mascara. There's her name in the gold writing. I'm not sure if you can see, but this is so beautiful. It feels so good in your hand. So guys, another really great thing about this Victoria Beckham mascara is that it also is clean beauty, so I can't wait to try this. Guys, that's everything that came in my box this month, but I wanted to have a quick and fun giveaway today. So I am giving away a Morphe eyeshadow palette and 4 other mystery goodies. So you're going to be getting 5 makeup and beauty items. One of them is a Morphe palette. So to be entered into today's giveaway, just be a subscriber and comment below that you'd like to take part, and also comment the best way to reach you, your IG, your email, or what you will. And I will be picking the winner very soon. Check my Instagram stories too, because I'm posting tons of giveaways in my Instagram stories this month. So thank you, beauties, so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Definitely also check out Dossier down below. I will have my code link so you can take advantage and save even more on amazing luxury fragrances for less. So thank you guys again so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe and also give me a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. So I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing good. Remember, stay safe, stay positive, stay focused on good things, and I will see you, beauties, very soon. Bye. I love you.